Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up estimating home repair costs with HomeLight detailed guide step by step clearly. First, begin by visiting the HomeLight website. On the home page, look for the resources section in the menu. Click on that section to find various options related to home repair and renovation. Next, locate the cost guides tab and click on it. You will find a list of different home repair projects. Select the type of repair you're interested in, such as roofing, plumbing, or electrical work. Once you have made your selection, you'll be directed to a page dedicated to that specific repair type. Here, you will see an overview of the average costs associated with the selected repair. Take note of the cost ranges provided, as these can help you set your budget. Now, scroll down to find a detailed breakdown of various aspects of the repair process. This section will typically include labor costs, material costs, and time estimates. Review this breakdown closely, as it will help you understand where most of your budget will go. Next, consider using the cost estimator tool provided on the site. Click on the Get a Quote button to access the tool. You may need to fill out specific details about your project, such as the size of the area being repaired. After entering the information, hit the Calculate button. The estimator will then provide you with a more personalized cost estimate. Compare this estimate with the general cost ranges you noted earlier. Now, if you want more tailored information, consider reaching out to local contractors. HomeLight has a feature that allows you to connect with qualified professionals. This can provide you with multiple quotes for your specific home repair needs. Finally, keep all this information handy as you plan and budget for your repairs. This will ensure you're well informed as you move forward with your home repair projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.